Okay, is it that for quite a while?
Things were going so well, up until the point that they were not going so well. Things were on track for the Jag to be all ready to be my daily driver, and then disaster struck. One evening I got home, was running perfectly fine, parked it. Next morning I went to go to work, and I started it up. Ran really rough for a few seconds and then died, and then decided it no longer wanted to run. So our first stop here was to change its starter, and that's where you join us. So this is this is where you come in.
Yours?
You wish.
Yes.
The one behind the viewers. This is your time to shine.
I don't want to shine.
Oh, well, let your flashlight do that. Alright, so currently what I'm working on is we have the new starter. We have the old starter out, looking at the new starter. And if you look, here's the old starter. You can see that just this one tab here for where the old wire from the solenoid relay came from. But then if you look at the new one over here, has two prongs there. So I'm trying to figure out, I think it's not an issue, but I'm making sure that it is an issue before I install it, because it is an absolute pain to get in there. And I don't want to find out after the fact that it was something I didn't need to worry about. So just doing that right now, and also it's a different connector style. So got to convert from the screw style to the terminal style, the wire, so it will go on here. So that's what I'm after right now. We're good. Soldered. Well, true to Jensen Project Division's track record so far, I'm ending this project in the dark. Got started back in. Getting that back in and bolted up was actually surprisingly easy. I'll tell you what was not easy. That was this stupid little tiny bolt and retainer band that held the breather tube for the transmission, or the transfer case, one of the two, and little holder for the main battery cable that goes to the starter. It took me like 2 hours of fighting with that thing before I finally got it on. Alright, anyway, got it on. Now I have to try to start it, which I'm kind of terrified because I'm not sure if it was just the starter that was causing issues. Alright. I'm going to start by just bumping the starter as fast as I can, just to see if it sounds like it should. That's not the sound I wanted to hear. All right. Yesterday, after we changed the starter and it still didn't start, did a little bit more fiddling around, and it did turn over. So now it's turning the engine, thankfully, but still not starting. So that leads me to think that there's a high possibility that it's our coil causing problems. So I went down and picked up a new coil, and we're going to throw it in real quick, and hopefully the engine roars to life here in a few minutes. So here's the coil here. So all you gotta do is take this wire off, take these wires off, take its band off, and throw the new one in.
I don't know. Is this really a proper Jensen project? We're starting. Well, there's lots and lots of light.
Don't jinx it. We'll be here for the next 7 hours.
Getting oil and coolant leaking together. That's
Put them on speaker.
actually, hold on. Okay, so old coil out.
Finally. Working on getting the new one in. Should probably get a new clamp for this because this doesn't really fit very well, but that's a later me problem in history.
See that right there? That's some top tier filming.
You found it.
Battery dies, and while you're changing it, part gets changed.
Ideal. Okay, new coil is in. The moment of truth has arrived. Let's turn it over and see if it comes to life. I'm nervous. All right, here we go. That was a weird sound.
It was also a lot of movement.
Grab the battery charger. Okay. Battery is a little on the low side, so we threw the charger on and then we're going to give it another try.
What have we ascertained?
Confusion. At least this plug is getting spark and it's turning over. Meaning maybe fuel at this point? Weird. Only so many things that can keep a vehicle from running. I'm gonna ponder for a while and we'll get back to you. So, we ascertained, well, it was a road to get here, but the definitive moment, I think, when we knew something was going on with the injectors is we disconnected the electrical connector from all of the injectors, all 6, and the cold start injector, and when you turn it over, it would still fire, meaning there was fuel getting through an injector even when it wasn't being turned on.
Nice.
So, we're going through the injectors now, we pulled them out, and we're gonna give them voltage each to see if they're moving. Yep, that was a click.
Look at
Fitted me. Literally, that injector just spit fuel in my mouth.
It likes you.
All the things that have kissed me, an injector is not
What you had
top
on
of
my,
my
list.
list.
So, dual fuel tanks,
Uh-huh.
fuel filter in the lines,
Okay.
fuel pump,
Yeah.
read the hose, not for fuel. Nice. Camera. Outstanding. Correct hose for the job.
It's doing things.
Hey, all by itself. Hey, you don't need ultrasonic when you got this.
Bottle of seafoam.
That looks
Now,
so
naphtha.
good.
Hey, does it vibrate enough for all of them?
Yeah.
Acetone. That is a very, very nice little cocktail in that ultrasonic cleaner.
Yes. Yeah. Real.
You won't even have to turn it on for it to get stuff done. Oh, that's shaky.
Whoa! Look at how dark that's turned.
Whoa! That is just exactly.
Oh, hold on. Watch the end.
Yep, it's bleeding.
Mm-hmm.
It's bleeding.
It's bleeding.
And that's only what PSI? 20 maybe?
No, it would have 36. Oh, me blowing?
Yeah.
Oh, I have no idea. I wasn't even blowing that hard.
So, does that mean
That means
likely
it is
was the
been-
problem,
well-
or just one of the problems?
Definitely one of the problems.
It's one of them. That means it's dribbling fuel directly into the intake manifold.
all the time.
All the time, yes. Well, you know what it does to mileage? Yeah, it'll kill your mileage quick.
Yeah, that's the only reason why the Jag doesn't get great mileage.
Only reason.
Yeah, that's it. Yeah. Not the huge stroke or anything, yeah.
I'm gonna get 4,700 miles to the gallon now.
Move over, Flyus. There's a new king in town.
There's a price to be paid.
Be proud of yourself.
I think it's dead.
I think so too. Which means, just open it up. Can't make it worse.
Do what?
Open it up.
No.
Why?
We don't have anything to fill the hole.
A little piece of flashing will cover that.
No. No.
Because I can leave the body intact.
No, don't do it.
I just open that, I can
Don't.
take the internals out.
No.
I want to see.
Oh, yeah, it's not made to take.
No. Definitely not. Okay.
No, it's full crimped.
Yeah, I know.
It's full crimped. You'd bust it all apart.
Maybe. Almost for sure. But we won't know until we try.
No, but here's the thing. We have to, it's not just those, we have to plug this. No, this is, we can put it back in a look original.
Well, I can buy a used one.
We haven't used one. We don't need to buy a used one. We have a used one.
Yeah, but what?
What if we have a
if
used one
we
that's
could
in one
fix
piece?
Okay, so what's gonna happen is we're gonna put the injectors back in after lunch. We're gonna start it up, and it's just gonna run like normal.
Oh, it'll be like a top.
Yeah. Better than it's ever been.
Well, then
Could
since
be.
you've had it, it's very possible.
I don't have the other camera set up, so I can't look into it with a doubting face.
I'll
Yeah.
do it for you.
Nice. Time to throw them back in.
Yeah.
The mechanic's best friend. You old.
You see nothing. I'm not using rector seal.
Oh, you hate it, but you have to love it.
And if you want to measure, check our fuel hose, you can start cutting that way. Put the next one on.
Okay. Injectors are all back in. And the last
Ready to brush off?
Walk
Yep.
through. Just make sure nothing's back here. So what are we doing here?
Right now I'm just running the fuel pump because we put a new fuel filter on the back, so we're filling it up, and also the rails obviously completely dry too after putting the injectors back in.
All right. You've arrived at the moment of truth.
Pedal to the floor. Let it just see if that lets more air in. Hold it more open. Because if there is still fuel in the oil sun. Half pedal cranking. So again, with too much fuel in that cold weather one might still be rippling. But hold on, but not cold. Try now. What was that? I pulled one off. The one that sounded loudest to me.
After you go, let me crying. After you go,
Won't do. So I'm restricting maybe the flow from the pump. And it sounds way better when I'm trying to close off the flow. So is that regulator just not regulating the fuel?
you lost the only son that you've ever had.
I'm not trying to choke it off, it wants to run.
So that makes sense. That's fuel regulator issue then.
The pump now is delivering, but if it can't,
So I'm gonna get a new regulator and that temperature sensor in the line. All right. Well, I'm past out of time.
Yeah, yeah.